Welcome to Build Sales Funnel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ClickFunnels with your favorite email marketing tools so you can capture leads and follow up automatically. Let's dive in. Step 1, log into ClickFunnels. Start by logging into your ClickFunnels account and going to your dashboard. Step 2, go to Account Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Step 3, Integrations. In the left-hand menu, click on Integrations. This is where you'll add and manage all your email marketing connections. Step 4, Add New Integration. Click the Add New Integration button. Here you'll see a list of popular email marketing services like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, ConvertKit, and more. Step 5, select your email service. Choose your email tool from the list. For example, if you're using MailChimp, click MailChimp. Step 6, connect your account. ClickFunnels will prompt you to enter your API key or connect via OAuth. Follow the instructions provided. Usually, you'll log into your email service and give ClickFunnels permission to access it. Step 7, save and test. Once you've connected your email tool, ClickFunnels will save it to your integrations list. Make sure to test the integration by adding a test contact to your funnel's opt-in form and checking that it appears in your email list. Step 8, connect to your funnel. Now head to your funnel. In the funnel editor, click Settings, or on your opt-in form, and choose your email integration from the drop-down. Select the specific email list or tag you want new contacts to be added to. And that's it! ClickFunnels is now connected to your email marketing tool. New leads from your funnels will be automatically added to your email list so you can follow up and build relationships. For even more step-by-step tutorials and tips, check out the video description below. I've included helpful links and resources to make your funnels even more powerful. And don't forget to subscribe to Build Sales Funnel for more videos on building, connecting, and growing your online business. Thanks for watching. Now go connect your funnel and start growing your list.